So I have the JBL Tune 770 noise cancelling headphones, and I'll be showing you how to connect these headphones to more than one device, basically multi-point connection. So for this one, as you can see, I'm already connected to this phone with these headphones. So that will be the normal connection, which is turning off the headphones and then long pressing on the power button until this light starts blinking rapidly, and then you connect, just the usual connection. Now, once you've already connected to one device and now you want to connect to another device without disconnecting this one, then all you have to do is double press on the power button. So just grab the headphones. The headphones are on and connected to this device. This one right here, I'm just trying to connect to this one. So double press on the power button quickly, and that will put the headphones in pairing mode again. And so now you can go to your other phone and connect. All right, simple as that. So as you can see, the headphones are connected here, JBL Tune 770 noise cancelling, and also connected here. So let's try and thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.